Everybody know this bait to the table. This ain't no goddamn catching grease.
Oh, that's good eating size right there. Yes, sir.
That belly's still kicking. Alright, we're gonna see I got my float down there for carp. I'm trying to get me a carp. Need some good bait. Bait fishing while I'm bass fishing too. This is a multi-species lure. I have caught so many. That was a gar. I just got off. What? I've caught plenty. Yeah. Try to get this job done. Get me a nice old bass. Gar's gonna touch it up a lot. I can tell you that. Oh, there's that. Right here, man, he love it. You can see all the bite marks and everything on it. He love it. So, I'm using this. Sometimes I really use the crankbait because of the fact that when I'm out here carp fishing, I want to use this because this does a lot. I can actually do what I need to do. Oh, there go a carp. There go carp. There go carp. There go carp. There you go. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let him run. Gotta let him run. He's stuck under something. See, that's why I got that 50-pound. Let's let him run a bit. Get himself out. Did he get himself out? Did he get himself out? I think so. I think so. I knew I was gonna get carps on this side right here. Ooh, that's a nice one. You was gonna get released anyway. She's still right there. Oh, but you got that little piece of hook in your mouth, man. You broke the whole hook off. Ooh, I got me a bobber. Ow, 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 ow. Shit. I lost 2 bobbers yesterday with my kids, but I got me one. I can tell you one thing. If you come in this creek right here, you always gonna find, like I found me a lizard lure. That right there gets the job done with these bass in here. I can tell you that. See? The head is chopped off with another one. Real good. This a hit jack pikes right here. Jack pikes will tear that up. You know, they hit dead in the middle. So when they hit in the middle, they got the treble hook right there, right on their side. They ain't got no choice. Oh, I think I got one. I got one. I got one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, he shook it right out. That was a dink bass though. Don't care. Any bass is a bass. I told you. Man, you hit the right spot. This crankbait right here will touch your soul with your soul. It's not the first time I had his brand too. I bought it. I used to skip over because of the fact it was pricey. I always used to lose lures right here in this, but since they did all that construction, they eliminated a lot of them logs and stuff out of the creek, so eliminate the snags that I used to lose a lot of lures, expensive lures too, man. I remember I lost my baby bull shad. I could have cried when I lost that. I could have, but I didn't. Dude, we got us a... He smoked it. Oh, bro, did I just do that? I got the hand line. I got the hand line. Oh, what is that? Is that a bowfin? That is a bowfin. Dude, I just broke my freaking reel. Oh, look at that bowfin. That's crazy. Oh, I'm gonna have to flip him. Bro, dude, I just broke my reel. I'm gonna have to flip him because I'm not grabbing him. Pretty bowfin too. Pretty bowfin. Dude, look at this. making super good epoxy. But look at this. I broke my reel setting the hook. Oh my gosh. But we really going. I'm gonna have to go get my stuff. Yeah, we got to go. But look at this bowfin. It's pretty bowfin. He smoked it. I thought that was a bass. He smoked it. Beautiful. This is pretty. Alright, let's go get him on hook. Let's get all this stuff. Get everything that I need. Thing about both if they rank. Oh man, nice. So I freaking broke my reel. I broke my reel. Like when I set the hook, I broke it. I'll epoxy it, do something, but let's get him on hook, get him back in the water, and let's go ahead and go. We did our damage here. Right, let's get this for him. I thought that was a hit. Buy me another one. Oh man, dude! Oh, look at the mistakes. Look at the stuff that went on off this. I knew I should have left, but it's a fisherman's deed, man. You gonna freaking fish and do what we need that time, man. Man, chill out. Dude, I'm gonna get you on hook. Dude, he bent this all type of ways. Look how he did this. Dude, he smoked it. Dude, can you get off? Let's go ahead and just cut it. The most difficult time, I got what I needed, so I can't be mad. This dude making everything so complicated right now. Let's go ahead and get up out of here. Alright guys, let's look at the bow. There he goes.
Yo!
We gonna hook him, we gonna book him,
Yeah?
and we gonna cook him.
Oh my god.
Definitely appreciate you once again. You didn't have to do it, but you did it. It's definitely appreciated. So, until next time.
Cornbread. Oh, motherfucker, you can't have my cornbread, that's for damn sure. Because if you try to take my cornbread, part 2 of my killing speed.